In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change hair color in CapCut, step by step, using a simple effect that makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. This is a great edit if you want to create a fun transformation, test different hair colors for social media, or just make your video stand out with a creative look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the CapCut app on your device and start a new project. Choose the video you want to edit and add it to your timeline. Once your clip is loaded, look at the timeline and tap on the image or video layer if needed, so you're working with the correct clip. Next, go to the top menu and tap Effects. This is where CapCut gives you access to different visual edits and filters that can change the look of your footage. From the sidebar, select Body Effects. This section contains effects that can track parts of the body, including hair-related effects. Now use the search bar and type Hair Color Swap. This effect is the one you'll use to change the appearance of the hair color in your video. Once you find it, hover over the effect and tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. After that, make sure to expand the effect so it covers the full length of the video, or at least the part where you want the hair color change to appear. This is important because if the effect is too short, the color change will only show for a small section of the clip. Now select the effect in the timeline. This will open the editing controls, where you can fine-tune the look, adjust the color slider to choose the hair shade you want. Then use the texture slider if you want the result to look smoother or more natural. You can also change the strength slider to make the color change more subtle or more intense, depending on the style you're going for. Take a moment to preview the video and see how the hair color looks as the clip plays. If it needs more blending, go back and tweak the settings until it looks right. A small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you want the edit to feel realistic instead of overly strong. Once you're happy with the result, you can export the video and share it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or wherever you want. And that's how to change hair color in CapCut quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide.